This beautiful turnkey Oklahoma ranch offers mature oak timber, rolling native pasture, ponds, seasonal creeks, and a quiet, private atmosphere surrounded by large neighboring ranches. With flexibility for cattle, horses, hay production, or a combination of uses, the ranch offers around 70 acres of productive grazing with room to expand. Years of very light hunting pressure have created an outstanding recreational setting, while the mix of timber, water, and open pasture provide ideal habitat and excellent hunting potential. Wildlife is abundant with healthy populations of white-tailed deer, wild turkey, and bobwhite quail regularly seen across the property. Surrounded by a fully perimeter fence, the headquarters are clean, functional, and move-in ready, centered around an 1,800 square foot 3-bedroom, 2-bath home featuring an open concept layout, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a built-in storm room. A modern solar electric system, attached garage, fenced yard, and energy-efficient design make the home comfortable and practical for full-time living or weekend use. Additional improvements include a fully insulated barn, hay storage, loafing shed, and smaller holding pens for livestock or horses. Whether you're looking for a hunting retreat, horse property, or peaceful landscape to enjoy year-round, this property delivers a true Oklahoma ranch experience. For more information, please contact Stacy Callahan at 918-710-0239 today.